guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great today. So guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial and I know it's been really long since I've done one because I was so engaged in putting up different kinds of content for you people. But guys, as promised, I'm back with look number 3 by using this Morphe X James palette, and this is the eye makeup look that I've created for today's tutorial. And this is a look that has been inspired by Kylie Jenner, and a lot of bloggers and YouTubers have been creating this eye look, and I really wanted to try my hands on this. I have shown the whole tutorial step by step and it's really easy for you guys to replicate. So if any of you is wanting to buy this palette and is looking forward to using this and does not have any idea as to what colors to mix and match to create nice eye looks, you guys can surely watch my 5 looks that I'm going to create by using this palettes, which are going to be a combination of colorful yet warm makeup looks that you guys can wear easily outside. And this eye look has come out beautifully. So if you guys want to recreate this eye look, please make sure to watch the tutorial and please drop comments as to how you like this eye makeup look. So guys, without further ranting, let's just get down into the video now.
Guys, as you can see, I've just concealed my eyes and now I'm just powdering it down using this Code James burnt orange shade, and I'm just putting it as a transition shade and patting it and using swirling strokes to just blend it out softly, going in unison with the other eye as well so that there is no discrepancies. Now taking this beautiful brown shade, I'm just patting it down and just using blending strokes to just blend it down with the orange shade, and this is how it looks blended out. Now using my favorite concealer to make a half cut crease and taking this beautiful blue minty shade which is really shimmery, and I'm just patting it down with the help of my hands because that is the best way to get the exact pigmentation that I want. And I'm taking the same brown shade and I'm just patting it down again, mix it up with the blue so that it doesn't look weird. And now I'm making a foxy eyeliner, wing liner with this NYX liner. Now moving on to mascara and using the super fan, but before that I will just prime my lashes by using this false lash mascara from L'Oreal, and I'm just using the Smashbox one, and you'll see the difference because I'm not wearing any falsies for this look. It just lengthens it at the right area that I want to. And I'm using the same orange shade on my waterline, and this is how the eye look has turned out. It's so easy, guys, and it was so quick to recreate this Kylie Jenner eye look.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup look. If you guys like this, please make sure to comment down below. I would really love to reply back to all of you, and it would really mean a lot to me if you guys appreciate anything that I do. And I will see you in my next video, guys. My next video is going to be my product empties plus the monthly favorites, and then I'm gonna surely put up my makeup collection because a lot of people have DM'd me regarding that. So I'm not going to delay it any further. So guys, stay tuned on my channel and please make sure to subscribe, guys. Each subscriber means so much to me and I'm really looking forward to touching down 1,000 subscribers really soon. And I am really stoked to create a lot of new content for you people. So guys, be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.